What's up, YouTube? An easy replacement of the rear sway bar bushing for 2010 Mini Coupe. You will need a 13mm ratchet spanner or slightly angled spanner like this. Just get the thinnest one you can choose. After removing fill, you only need to remove two bolts holding the bushing for each side. The right one is much easier to release. Put your ratchet from the behind suspension and release the bolt. The harder one is the left bolt. You don't have enough space for the ratchet get in. So use the thinnest angled 13mm spanner for this one. I know this is very tedious job, but this is the easiest way to remove the bushing. You have to trust me. Once released, you can actually use your fingers to rotate them for the complete removal of the bolt. I guess we are almost there. Watch it. Yes. Now remove the bracket and remove the bushing easily by your hand. You can slide the bushing toward your body side like this. Put the new bushing sliding back from your body side toward your car. After adjusting the position of the bushing, put the bracket back to fix it with the bolts. Using your fingers, rotate the bolts to fit in the right location. Again, a very tedious job. Take your time with your gloves on. Do the same thing for the other bolt, but this time it's much difficult to do because of the lack of the space. Try to use your fingers and be patient. We are almost there. Be patient and just rotate like this. Using a ratchet and an angled spanner, tighten two bolts. Once done, put your wheel back and tighten at 104 pound force with a top wrench. You can do the same thing for the other side of the car. Don't forget tightening all the bolts of the wheel at a proper torque. Now remove the jack stand and slowly get down your car. Do the same thing for the other side. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.